Today I'm going to be showing you my fidget toys. This is a geobender. You can make multiple shapes and things. I just made it into this shape just now. Then I have this, which I got the other day. Kind of like a circular Rubik's Cube. You can twizzle it around and then you have to try and make it go back to normal. The hole's there to make it so that if there's two, let's say two yellows next to each other, can get a yellow to go down a space to put it in the right space. Then I have these Nidos. This one is very squishy. It does not hold its shape and it goes from yellow down to green. It doesn't show up very well on camera. You can barely tell it's there, in my opinion, in real life, but can see it a lot better in real life. Then here is my other Nido, which is my favourite one. It holds its shape a lot more, and it is orangey down to pinky. So yeah, those are nice. Then this is one of my favourite ones. It's the most satisfying one that I have. A poppet ball. They're so satisfying. Sometimes you can pop an entire side. And then you can make a nice noise. I'm just going to bring it up to the microphone or my headset so you can hear it. So that's a poppet ball. You can get poppet balls in like shapes like a burger or a unicorn, just a 3D poppet basically. Then I have this Rubik's Cube. It's an original branded Rubik's Cube. It's very stiff, but I would count it as a fidget toy as it can entertain you for quite a while. So yeah. Then I also have another one which I forgot to get, so I'm just going to go and get it real quick. Okay, I am now back with the fidget toy. It looks like this. It's very nice. And you basically can just squeeze it and it makes a nice noise. Sometimes it will get stuck, then you can go sideways and it makes a nice pop. Here, I'll let you listen to it. So that's my fidget toys.